Good morning, respected judges and dear competitors. Today my presentation topic is Smart Student Affairs System for Educational Management. I'm presenter Zhang Lei from the School of Marxism, Weifang Institute of Technology, China, and also Nilai University, Malaysia. The presentation date is July 27, 2026. I will systematically interpret this intelligent student management platform in full. Please look at the table of contents. This presentation is divided into 5 core chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction to Ssas, including definition, vision, mission, and core digital campus objectives. Chapter 2, TAC Theoretical Framework, integrating technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. Chapter 3, Multidimensional Applications, Multidiscipline Analysis plus Real System Interface Demonstration. Chapter 4, Empowering Educators, the 7 Identities of Counselors in the Digital Age. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Outlook, Benefit Summary, Management Transformation, and Future Roadmap. We start Chapter 1, Introduction to Ssas. First we answer the core question, what is Ssas? Its core purpose is a centralized digital platform for campus-wide student management. It can manage, track, and analyze all student-related work, supporting schools to implement holistic, data-driven student affairs operation. Next, we introduce the nature and coverage scope of Ssas. Ssas is a transformative technological ecosystem equipped with complete database management, intelligent workflow automation, and intuitive user interfaces, which digitizes and optimizes inefficient traditional paper-based work. Its coverage includes student profile management, extracurricular activity organization, attendance tracking, disciplinary records, career guidance, and ideological education, forming a unified student service hub. This slide displays a modern campus photo. As a modern educational digital ecosystem, Ssas bridges the gap between campus administration and student service experience. It connects all departments and students, building a connected, efficient, supportive campus environment that adapts to digital education development demands. Now let's look at Ssas's official vision. We position Ssas as the cornerstone of intelligent campus management. We aim to build a data-driven, student-centric, highly efficient educational environment for future campuses. We bridge the gap between cutting-edge technology and high-quality education, creating a seamless ecosystem that dynamically adjusts to evolving modern education needs. Ssas sets 4 core missions. The first 2 target administrators and frontline educators. Mission 1, Empower Administrators. The system automates repetitive tasks and provides comprehensive data analytics to support strategic campus decision-making. Mission 2, Support Educators. It supplies digital tools for personalized student guidance and streamlines workflows to improve education quality. The latter 2 missions focus on students and institutional digital upgrade. Mission 3, Serve Students. We provide students with seamless, transparent online channels to handle daily affairs and track academic progress anytime. Mission 4, Promote Excellence. The system unifies management standards, guarantees data integrity and security, and drives digital modernization of student affairs administration. Based on vision and mission, Ssas proposes 5 core objectives to solve traditional pain points. Objective 1, Standardize daily operations. Replace inconsistent manual paper files with unified digital workflows to eliminate cross-department discrepancies. Objective 2, Simplify complex operations. Intuitive UI and auto tools lower the difficulty of data entry, report generation, and multi-level approval, cutting operational friction. Objective 3, Reduce staff workload. Eliminate repetitive paperwork and manual statistics so educators can focus on student communication and personalized support. Objective 4, Collect comprehensive student data. Unify fragmented academic, attendance, behavior, and extracurricular data into one real-time database, forming a full 360-degree student portrait for targeted care. Objective 5. Improve service efficiency. Instant online submission, automatic digital approval, and 24-hour data access reduce waiting time and raise satisfaction of students, parents, and staff. Then we analyze the core industry challenge. Traditional educational platforms force a trade-off. Powerful systems are too complex. Simple tools lack full management functions, which limits popularization and efficiency. To solve the industry dilemma, Ssas puts forward a dual value proposition. First, operational ease. Zero learning curve UI. Staff finish work in 2 to 3 clicks without training. Second, functional depth. Fully integrate enrollment, academic records, financial aid, and alumni tracking in one system. We hold that usability is not an extra feature, but the foundation of the whole platform. This dual design eliminates workflow bottlenecks and data silos, boosting overall administrative efficiency by 35%. Meanwhile, the system ensures complete data integrity covering every stage of the student full life cycle, realizing long-term sustainable digital campus management. We move to Chapter 2, the Theoretical Foundation TAC. This slide shows the visual TAC model diagram. TAC is short for technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge. It highlights the intersection of 3 core domains. Effective digital education requires the organic integration of technology, teaching methods, and subject knowledge, not only single technical operation. TAC is highly applicable to university student affairs management, not only classroom teaching. For school leaders and counselors, TAC provides theoretical guidance to design student support systems, connecting Ssas intelligent technology with standardized student work. TAC includes 3 interrelated parts: TK technological knowledge, PK pedagogical knowledge, CK content knowledge. First, we interpret TK technological knowledge under Ssas context. TK means proficient operation of Ssas to automate workflows, optimize efficiency, and realize data-driven decisions. Staff need to master core modules, automatic notifications, online forms, and mobile remote management. Ssas's friendly UI lowers technical barriers, helping staff master digital skills without complex training. Next is PK pedagogical knowledge. PK covers all theories and practical strategies of student counseling and educational administration, answering how to implement student education. Supported by Ssas, PK has 3 pillars: standardized workflows, transparent teacher-student communication, and full-dimensional student portraits for targeted intervention. Automation frees counselors to focus on student holistic growth. Then we analyze CK content knowledge. In our student affairs system, CK centers on Marxist ideological and political education, which shapes students' values and ideological awareness. Ssas disseminates CK via 2 ways: push Marxist learning and read cultural materials, design online ideological courses, and offline read practice activities. The system records participation data to assess and optimize ideological education effects. Chapter 3 introduces multidimensional applications of Ssas. The first perspective is communications media. The digital network graph shows unobstructed campus information flow built by Ssas. The system distributes ideological resources and official notices instantly, replacing bulletin boards and scattered emails. It also supports 2-way feedback and online discussion, transforming passive information receiving into active student participation. The second perspective is instructional system design. Ssas serves as a standardized platform for educational intervention. Counselors can automate freshman orientation, ideological classes, and dorm management workflows, unifying standards across all departments. It reduces human error and redundant labor, letting staff focus on high-value student communication and activity design. Third perspective, vocational training and career guidance. SSS acts as a centralized career management hub, securely archiving internship, employment, and social practice data to form traceable student career files. It analyzes campus employment big data to summarize industry trends, helping students build correct career values and realize personalized data-based career counseling. Fourth perspective, computer systems. SSS is the underlying campus automation engine with intuitive UI, full workflow coverage, and unified database, realizing 100% paperless office and cutting repetitive work over 60%. Fifth perspective, learning sciences. SSS builds complete student data infrastructure, collecting scores, attendance, and wellness data to create learner portraits, supporting counselors to carry out targeted academic intervention via data trend analysis. Now we enter real system interface demonstration. The first demo page is Student Information Management Backend. This module stores complete student identity, academic, class, and campus status data, supporting multi-condition advanced filtering. The unified central database forms the school's single authentic data source and eliminates cross-department information inconsistency. The second demo page is the System Main Dashboard and Notification Center, the core operation entry for all managers. The page integrates one-click module access, highlighted pending approval tasks, and real-time campus announcements. Managers can grasp overall student work status at a glance, process urgent applications first without switching multiple independent systems. Apart from PC Web Terminal, SSAS extends all core functions to mobile app, breaking time and space restrictions of campus management. Users can check personal files, grades, attendance, and receive emergency reminders anytime. Students submit leave requests and feedback online 24/7, building an agile, all-time campus service environment. SSS supports full visual BI data analysis. It converts scattered attendance, academic, activity, and disciplinary records into intuitive charts. This shifts our management logic from passive post-event handling to proactive early risk intervention, making all campus management decisions supported by objective student data. Chapter 4 focuses on empowering educators. We summarize 7 identities of counselors in the digital age. Identity 1, lifelong learner, improving digital literacy through SSS to keep pace with modern students. Identity 2, value leader, disseminating value education content and tracking participation data to shape student morality. Identity 3, citizen cultivator, organizing patriotic themed activities to cultivate students' civic awareness and national identity. Identity 4, cross-stakeholder collaborator. SSAS builds secure data sharing channels between counselors, teachers, and parents, breaking information silos to form joint educational force. Identity 5, educational experience designer. Counselors design online ideological courses, read practice activities, and interactive tasks on SSS, creating data-informed targeted education plans for students. The last 2 identities, student growth facilitator and data analyst. As facilitators, counselors open transparent communication channels via SSS, receive student feedback, and provide timely academic and psychological support. As analysts, counselors integrate multidimensional student data to capture abnormal growth trends, launch precise early intervention, and prevent student problems from worsening. SSS fully supports counselors to fulfill all 7 professional roles. Chapter 5 is Conclusion and Future Outlook. First, we summarize 3 layers of Ssas benefits. For institutions, standardized refined management, complete data foundation, stronger digital competitiveness. For admins and educators, less repetitive work, powerful analysis tools, convenient cross-department collaboration. For students, transparent one-stop online services, instant learning resources, and optimized campus life experience. Ssas brings 4 revolutionary transformations to traditional student affairs. 1. From manual paper office to full cloud digital operation, cutting physical file storage costs. 2. From fragmented scattered data to integrated full life cycle student portraits. 3. From passive post-processing to proactive data prediction and early intervention. 4. From unified general management to personalized targeted student guidance. These changes build an intelligent education ecosystem combining data intelligence and humanistic care. Ssas is not only a set of digital management tools, but a complete educational solution integrating educational theory, technology, and student growth needs. In the future, we will continuously iterate Ssas functions, develop new intelligent modules including AI psychological counseling and alumni tracking, further deepen the deep integration of digital technology and ideological and political education. This is the closing slide of my full presentation. All above is my complete research and practical sharing of the Smart Student Affairs System. Now we open the Q&A session for judges and competitors. My email, phone number, and contact method are displayed on this page for further communication. Thank you all for listening.